Hello everyone, in this video I will show you 3 things you may not know about your X-T4. Number 1. First, switch to the bracket mode from the left dial. Next, go to the shooting settings and set your self timer at 2 seconds. Then go to the drive settings, bracket settings, bracket select and select the focus bracket. Now go down to the focus bracket. Press OK, select Auto. Here you have an interval setting. Use this with flash or a strobe. But now you want it to be 0. Press OK. Now you can select your first focus point, A. Press OK and now move your focus ring. I am in manual focus, to the point where you want your focus to end. Press back until you go to the normal screen and press the shutter button to start taking the photos. The camera will take as many photos as necessary between the focus points you selected so that your subject is in complete focus. Then stack your photos in Photoshop, and this is the result. Our subject is in complete focus. If you take a normal photo, the focus cannot cover the whole subject. Like in this photo. This feature is great for landscape photography and macro photography. Number 2. If you set your camera on continuous focus, activate face and eye detect, then select the tracking mode by pressing the joystick before shooting and scrolling the back wheel to the right. The camera will have multiple focus modes activated at once when you have pressed the shutter release, as you can see in this video here. Eye tracking, face tracking, normal tracking and normal autofocus. This is great when photographing sports, kids and pets. Not many cameras can use all these modes at once. I think only the Sonys can do this. Number 3. When recording in F-Log, the Fujifilm X-T4 has dual native ISO. This means it has 2 base ISOs, one at 640 and one at 2000. This means ISO 1600 has more noise than the ISO 2000. So if you shoot in low light, you should start with ISO 2000. I made a whole video explaining the dual native ISO of the X-T4 and you can see it here. Tell me if you knew about these settings in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to see more videos about Fujifilm X-T4 and check out the rest of my videos. See you soon!